Page number 2. While rendering the subject, I would request that according to the famous ethnic sciences, there is a combination of Aryans, Dravidians, Mongolis, and Shakas in Indian society. These castes reached India centuries from the country and settled here with the cultural heritage of their native country. Then their condition was tribal. They pushed their predecessors to become parts of this country. His mutual contact and relationships led to a coordinated culture. But it is inconsistent to say about Indian society that it is a compilation of various castes. On visiting all over India, there will be evidence indicting how much is the difference between the people of this country in terms of physical formation and look. Compilation does not cause homogeneity. If seen from the point of view of blood discrimination, then Indian society is alien. Yes, this cultural is culturally fierce. On this basis, I say that there is no country in the world except this peninsula, which has such cultural harmony. We are not only geographically composed, but our sure cultural unity is also unwavering and unbreakable, which is pervading in all four directions across the country. Due to this cultural uniformity, the caste system has become such a huge problem that it is a difficult task to interpret it. Even if our society was only alien or a combination, there was something, but here, even in a homogeneous society, caste system has been penetrated. We have to interpret its origin as well as explain its infection. Before further analysis, we also have to consider the nature of Jatantra. I would like to present the definitions of some scholars of intellectual science. 1. Ambedkar caste system, P4. French scholar is the principle of Sri Senar in relation to caste. Close cooperation on acute hereditary basis, consisting of specific traditional and independent organizations, which has a head and panchayat. From time to time, there are meetings, fairs on some festivals, a bit business, which has a distinct relationship with bread-daughter behavior, and the ceremony should be from abusive, and its members are regulated by its jurisdiction, which is flexible, which is capable of implementing the ban and punishment on the affiliated community, and most unchanged from the group. 2. NESFILLDIs definitely. A section of the community that boycott relationships with another and avoids marriage and eating with other sects. 3. Sir H. According to Rizal, caste means the organization of families or family groups, whose shared name, which is associated with a particular profession, which claims to be a descendant of mythological ancestors and lords, emphasizes adopting a similar business and agreed to the homogeneous community. 4. Dr. Ketkar has the definition of caste like this: a social group with two symptoms. Its membership is limited to those who are members from birth, and which include people born in this way. B. Members are forbidden to marry out of their caste by rigorous social law. Review of these definitions is essential for us. It is clear that on different views, there are many things in the definitions of 3 scholars or have very few elements. There is no definition in view alone, and the original sentiment is not in anyone. They all have made a mistake that they have considered caste as an independent element, not taken as a part of the overall mechanism. Nevertheless, all the definitions complement each other, which the fact is left by one scholar, has been shown by the other. I will only consider the formulas and evaluate them, which are found equally in all castes according to the above definitions, which are considered to be the specialty of caste.